So here I am beginning the question. Exercise 6.3. In figure 6.40 is point CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC. Let us understand that what this question trying to say to us. So what is given to us? They gave us this AB and this AC are exactly same. So in given we can write that. So here if you want to write our given, we can write that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. And these two sides are same, means AB is equals to AC. Another thing they gave us, E is point on CB, produce of an isosceles triangle. Means here we can't see point E over there. So what is there, that if CB is produced further on, it having point as E, and if this point E is there, that produce again till EF, and EF is perpendicular on AC, means this is AC, and here if we are joining one line over there, so that is the point F, and that is perpendicular on AC, means it is making 90 degree over there. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So if I am separating this figure, one figure we are getting this as A, B and D, in which D is 90 degree, because it is 90 degree, so this side also it will make 90 degree. And we have to prove it similar to triangle ECF. So ECF, now it is line. It is like this, E, C and F is like that, and angle F is 90 degree over there. But if we want to make it similar, we have to turn figure. So how we will turn it? So how we will prove this triangle similar? So if I am rotating this figure, so it will looking like this. So here 90 will come down. Now it is looking like this. If I am turning this figure, E will goes up and C is remaining. So we are writing C over here. Now you can see these two figures are now similarly looking, but we have not proved it similar till the time. But if we are rotating this figure, it will looking like this. So now here we just separate this figure. Now you can see anything common in that. You just can see angle D and angle F are same. Another thing you can't see over there. So what we will do? So here before beginning our process, let me write what we have to prove. So what is our to prove? So what we have to prove? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF, that we have to prove. Now here we are beginning our proof. If you want to mention these things, you can mention, it will be helpful to you. As I told you, AD is perpendicular on BC, so this angle will be 90. As well as EF is perpendicular on that AC, so it will be also 90 over there. So here, how you can prove? So as I told you that in both this triangle, first we will prove similarity. Means if I am joining this and if I am making it as the original, what similarity we can see? So let me begin this process by in triangle ABD and triangle ADC. First we will write their similarity. So in that we can write two things, that angle ADB, this AD and B, that will be exactly equals to ADC, angle ADC. How we can write? Because they both are 90 degree, and from where we have written this? Because it is in given. So here I will write that it is equals to 90 degree and it is in given. Another thing that we can write, they have given us this side AB is equals to this side AC. So in 9th standard we have learned if two sides of isosceles triangle are same, their opposite angles are also same. So here we can write that angle A, this B and this D. In center we have to write that angle B, and this is exactly equals to what? ACD, So we will write ACD. How we wrote this? Because it is in given. So what is in given? AB is equals to AC is given. Therefore we can write that ABD is equals to angle ACD. From where? Because opposite angle are same. If opposite sides are same, that we already learned in 9th standard. So I am writing it is in given. So as we learn in 10th standard, if two angles are same, so we can write two triangles similar by which criteria? So by the AA criteria, we can write these two triangles are similar to each other. So in bracket I will mention that because of AA similarity, these two triangles are same. But you will ask that we have to prove these two triangles same. Why we are proving this? So it will be helpful to us. Now what will be helpful to us? So what we have proved in our original figure, if this angle B and if angle C are same, okay, means this angle C and this angle B are same, and this angle D is also there and this angle D is also 90. Now we will compare our original question, means we will begin with this question. So now in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. Now we will, so here as we know that in triangle ADB and ECF, so here we have to prove ADB and ECF. So here is ADB and EC and F. But before proving that, first we will prove ADC and ECF. So here we will write it as ADC and ECF. We will show its similarities. Means here we are talking about this ADC and ECF. In that this F is 90 degree and both of them having angle C as common. So here we will write that angle D is equals to angle F and that will be equals to 90 degree. How we wrote? Because it is in given. Because it is perpendicular, so it will be 90 degree. And both having angle C common, but we will write its whole name means ACD. So here I will write angle ACD will be equals to ECF. So angle EC and F. How we wrote this? Because both of them having common angle SC, so in bracket we will write common. So if two angles are same, we can write triangle ADC, that will be similar to triangle ECF by AA similarity criteria. Right? So right now we have proved this ADC and ECF. As you know, we have given this one as equation 1 and we are giving this one as equation 2. So what we will do? We will use this equation 1 and equation 2. So here I am writing that compare equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and 2. So here as you can see, triangle ADC is also here, triangle ADC is also here. Here triangle ADC is similar to ABD and this triangle ADC is similar to ECF. So in direct way we can compare both of these. So therefore we can write triangle AD is similar to triangle ECF. So this was the question in which first we have to talk about this whole figure. We have to prove these two triangles similar. We will use this both angle as 90 and if two sides are same, their interior angle will be same and we will write it as AA similarity. We will give it equation 1. Then we not have to talk about this triangle. We will talk about this ECF and ADC. We will write their similarity and by equation 1 and 2 we can write this what we have to prove. So this is the end of the question. That is how you can prove it in easy way. So here I am reading the question number 12. Side AB and BC and a median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and QR and a median PM of triangle PQR. So let me show you that what they have given. उन्होंने क्या दिया है? जो what they told proportional. So side AB, this AB is respectively proportional to side PQ. Means if we are taking AB by PQ and side BC, that is proportional to QR. So this BC, this whole BC and this QR. Okay, and the third thing they have given, median AD, means this median AD is also proportional to this P. So let me write AD by P. Let me read this question again. Side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR, so that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. So if they have given this side AC and this side PQ, then we can say these two triangles are similar to each other. But they not gave us this whole side similar, they gave this median C. And we have to use it, and by that we can prove this AC is also proportional to that PR. So now here we are beginning our question that this thing is in our given, and what we have to prove? So to prove is that we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQNR. So how we will prove it? So let us begin this question in an indirect way. If we want to do that, we can compare these two triangles also, and we can show the similarity by AA criteria also. So here what we can do, that is that if they have given this thing and this thing same, and this whole side BC and this whole side QR same, we have to prove this angle B and this angle Q same. If we are successful in that, we can use criteria side angle side, and by that side angle side, these two triangles can be similar. That is my idea for proving this question. If you having different idea, you can use it too. So here I will use this. I am beginning my question. So I am beginning my proof. I am talking about in triangle. Let me talk about this small triangle ABB and another small triangle of this, that is triangle PQM. Let me write all the similarity. If the ratio same, that we have already learned that if AB upon PQ is there, and that is equals to this whole BC by QR. So what we will do over here? So I am writing this whole BC by QR is same, and that is also equals to this AD by the ratio of that PM. But one interesting thing I want to show you, that here we are talking about this small triangle, and in that we have to take a ratio of this BD and QM. We not need this whole BC and QM. But side by I want to tell you that what is BC. So BC is dividing into two equal parts because AD is a median. It is not perpendicular, it is median, means it divides it into two equal parts. Means here we are writing in our given that this BD, so let me write over here, if AD is median of BC, so what will be equal? BD will be equals to that BC, right? And this whole thing will be equals equals to half of BC. We can write in another form that half of the BC is what? BD, and half of the BC is what? That BC. And another thing we can write from there, that is what? If PM is medium, it will also divide into two equal parts. So here I will write that if PM is median of QR, so we can write that is QM will be equals to M1, and that is what? So that is half of QR. So here on this place of BC and QR, that we can write that is 2 times of BD. We can write on the place of BC what we can write? 2 times of BD and 2 times of QM over here in equation 1. So let me write it equation 1 and it is equation 2, and let me give it name as A. So I will substitute value. Substitute value of 1 and 2 in A. So let me substitute. Now on the place of BC, what I can write? So here I will write AB by PQ. Okay, AB by PQ. Let me write over here. So if I am writing AB by PQ, let me write this first, that is AD by PM, and that is equals to BC upon QR. So what is BC? That is 2 times of BD. So let me write 2 times of BD. And what is QR? So QR is 2 times of QM. 2 times of QM. Let me cancel out these 2. So here what we can write? We can write a ratio of this, that AB is equals to AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM, and that is also equals to this BD upon Q. Now we will see our figure, that AB by this PQ, this AD by this PM, and earlier it was whole BC and whole QR. Now we divided into BD by QM. So here specially we are talking about this triangle, right? We are talking about this small triangle. So here if ratios are equal, we can write triangle will be similar. So here which triangle will be similar to triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQM, because their ratios of the side is same, that we have learned in our textbook. In notes we have also written, if ratios of the side is same, then two triangles are same. But it is not now useful for us, but further on it is useful. If ratios of the side is same and two triangles are similar, means their angle will be same. Means here angle A will be equals to angle P, and this angle B will be equals to angle Q, and that angle D, and then that angle D will be equals to that angle M. Right? So here we will choose from here, we are talking about this, and we will take this ratio. So here we will give it another name, let us give it as 3, and this one as 4. So here from 3 and 4, what we can write? The side along with this angle, means if this AB by PQ, and that will be equals to that BD by QM, and angle B is equals to angle Q. If this is same, so which triangle will be same? So this whole triangle will be same, and that whole triangle is what? Means if I am removing this, and if we are talking about ratios of this side along with this angle, so if these two are same and this angle will be same, here again we can write, if we are talking about this whole triangle, so we can write that this is also equals to that BC by QR. So I will write from 3, 4 and A. AB by PQ, and that is equals to this, and that is also equals to that BC by QR. So let me write here BC by QR. And if their angle is same, so by using side angle, side, two triangle will be similar. So which triangle? So let me talk about ABC and PQR will be same. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR side angle side criteria. So this is the end of question. What was the important thing over here? So they gave us median and they talk that these things, these small things are exactly same. From that we prove this angle same. Then we not need this median. Then we talk about this whole big triangle, and in that we use this side angle and these whole sides. And by that criteria we can prove this large triangle as similar. So यहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि पहले हमको ये स्मॉल स्मॉल दो छोटे छोटे ट्राइंगल्स थे, उनकी सिमिलरिटीज रेशियो सेम दिए थे, तो हमने एंगल लाया, एंगल बी और एंगल क्यू लाया, and that is useful in that whole triangle. So we not need that median, and we talk about these whole side. That's why I told you that we are not, if we are talking about this whole triangle, we not talk about this BD and QM. We are talking about BC and QR. That's why we have taken ratio over here, that AB by PQ and BC by QR. So AB by PQ and BC by QR, that is in A also and that is in 3 also. So if we can write this, and along that with that angle is same, so side angle side is proving these two triangle as similar. So this is a very easy question. You can use some different method if you want to, and this is my method. I want to do like that, so I have proved like that.